Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, January the 27th, 28th. It's today Saturday and Saturday evening, and we have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are we have 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, 1 killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and a jigsaw Sudoku. And the first one I will solve is this one. Not all the puzzles I will do. I will do this in the evening. No, only 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku. Well, it's not quite a 3 stars, but this one will be number 7882. 7882, and we have here 26 printed digits. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to wow, sneezing. Wow. Excuse me. 15 to 20 minutes. I need to solve this puzzle. If it's a 2 stars puzzle, if it's a 3 stars puzzle. Wow. The third time. So bless me. Well. If it's really a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Well. I need a 9 here. Need a 6 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in that column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Well. 3 and a 4. 3. 3. Come on. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. We have a pair, I believe. The 5 and a 9 in this column. The 5 and a 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this row, middle row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. This is a 9. Okay, 3, 5. A 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Need an 8 and 2 here. Alright, need a 9 here. Let me see. 2, 2, need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in the second column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. Alright. I need a 1 here. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Alright. Two missing numbers now in this big square. For the rest, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So these 3 missing numbers are: 1 is missing, the 2, the 3. Well, we need a 4 here. Yeah, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. That means we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between, the only place left for 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square. I believe also the 7 and 8. Okay. Well. Need a 1 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. Well, 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 6, 3, 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. Need a 3 here. These 3 missing numbers in the second row are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And look, with 1 and 2 in the first column. No 1, 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left. Should be the 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes, and there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. So these should be the 4, the 8, and the 9. 4, 8, 9. Well, cannot do this. Cannot fill this yet. Now these 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, and look, we have 4 and 5 in this row, so no 4 and the 5 in this box. 4 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, so one digit left should be the 7, 8 and 7, we have 7 now in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there, 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left with 7 should be there. 9, 5, and 8. Need an 8 here. Yeah, need an 8 here. Need a 2. Need an 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. We have a 2 and 8 in this column. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left should be the 9. How about these two missing numbers in this column for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left here. The 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. Okay, and now 8 and the 7. We have a 7 now in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then here 2 numbers, no, 9 and a 5. We have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Our 1 box left in this middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, 4 and the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. Here 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 and 8. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow, I'm pleased with the time. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. And we solve it again. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.